All right, we are up here on the 7th floor of the Hyatt Place and Hyatt House, downtown Indianapolis, Indiana. Unfortunately, not much of a view from this floor because of this building. Here are the elevators, which we'll film later. Schindler 5500 systems. And tonight, we are actually staying at this property. So we're gonna get a look at our room, which is just right down this way. It's a very nice property and was built sometime in 2019. So we are in room 733. So let's take a look around the room. And as you enter, you are greeted with this actually very nice room. This is a very spacious room. That doesn't do anything. We'll firstly get a look at the bathroom. Is there like no lights whatsoever? Oh well, there's no electricity in here. But there's your commode and a shower. Of course it is dark in here because there's literally no electricity whatsoever. What a fail. And you can see me in the mirror right there, hey? Got a sink right here. Yeah, it's so dark in here. Here, tell you what, I'll turn on my video light. Okay, I turned on my video light. So here's the commode. Average. Here's the shower. Actually looks very nice. Average shower. You can see me now. Hey, there's your sink and other utilities. Nice bathroom. If only there was electricity. Oh, master switch, never mind. Well, we have a pull-out couch, it looks like. Very large. Very nice. And if we come over here, check that out. You can see the top of Salesforce Tower out this window. And that there is the parking garage. Perfect view of the Salesforce Tower. Over here, got a lamp, really cool one. Got your phone and another mirror, hey. It's got a Samsung TV, looks like a flat screen. Bunch of drawers, coffee stuff, and then your coffee maker. It's very small. Lamp, another one. And then it looks like we got another closet. Yeah. And then an awesome view over here. See, there's the City County building in 360 Market Square. And there's the Gainbridge Field House, which is undergoing a lot of construction. It looks like they're building something over here. This project's been under construction for quite a while. So this, I believe, is a 2-queen bed. Got 2 queen beds. Look very comfortable. Got your alarm clock right here and some neat lamps. And a desk with a pretty comfy chair. This is a very modern room, I must say that. We got your thermostat, 75 degrees in here. So, I think that's pretty much a full walkthrough of this room. Here's a better look at the bathroom with the master switch on. So, well, I think this is a nice room overall. Very impressed for being only 2-year-old property. So I think that'll probably conclude this room tour. It's a very nice room overall, as well as hotel. So I think I'll just say now, thanks for watching, y'all. make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm sure I'll enjoy my stay here quite a lot. But I will see you all in the next video. So for now, bye guys.